I will bring you there to see what they have. Da-dum, da-da-da-dum. Mr. Krabs! Whoops! It's still alive. Whoops! See, it's moving. Oh. Ah! Oh my god. I think they are not happy. See, they are so angry, or they feel afraid. Calm down, it's okay. Calm down, it's okay. Hey guys, actually I feel pity to them. They look so not happy and a bit scared. I feel pity to them. But what should I do? I must to cook them. See? Oh my god. I'm sorry, Mr. Krabs. I'm sorry. I promise that you all will be very delicious soup, okay? Peace. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Krabs coconut milk soup. Okay lah, let's cook them. I will prepare the ingredients and I must kill them. Whew. Hey guys! After battle with the crab squad, I'm the winner. Who won the war? Yay! Who want to give me the trophy? My finger was bleeding, but it's okay lah. Rest in peace, all the crabs. Okay, here we already have the ingredient. Here it's crab, you can see that. And then potato, I use 2 potatoes, and then sweet corn, and then dry bay leaf, and then leeks, and then any 5 red chili. It's depend. If you want to more spicy, you can add more. Okay. Here I have 3 pieces of what is that? I don't know in English. Candle nut or candleberry? Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Then I have 1 chopped tomato, 4 pieces of onion, and 2 pieces of garlic. I already chopped it, and I have 1 lemongrass and some of dry. Oh, no, what is that? Some of curry leaf. Yeah, it's not dry, it's fresh. Then 2 sachet of instant coconut milk. You can use fresh coconut milk, it will more tasty. Yeah. 1 pack 65 milliliters. So I use 2 packs. Okay. Then for the seasoning, here I have black pepper, then chili pepper, and then here 1 tablespoon coriander powder, a half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon what is that? Cumin powder, and then what is this? I forget what is this in English, but it's okay. I will put in the description box. And then half tablespoon galangal powder. Okay. Okay, let's recook it. Oh yeah, we also need salt and water. Okay, first prepare the pan, put some cooking oil, okay, turn on the stove. Okay, first we need to saute the onion and the garlic. Okay, and also lemongrass, curry leaf, and the basil. Garlic, onion, curry leaf, bay leaf, and lemongrass. Okay. Good smell. I like it. Now I need to green the candleberry. Great. Oh yeah, I remember. Its name is cardamom. Okay. Now candleberry. I will chop it before I green it, so will make me easier. Okay. Okay. Then 1 tablespoon of salt. Green it. Okay. Then add the candleberry and salt to the soup. And then all seasoning: coriander, turmeric, cumin, cardamom, and galangal powder. Oh, then black pepper. We're gonna put around half teaspoon. No, half tablespoon. Okay. I'll put like this. Okay. Then chili powder, also same. You can put chili powder for 1 tablespoon. Very good smell. Oh my god, make me feel so hungry. Okay, now check the potato. If the potato is soft, it's time to add tomato, chili, and leek. Okay. Then coconut milk. Stir it well. Okay, now it's done. And Lisa. Looks so delicious and pretty. Same like me. Thank you for watching and I love you all. Mwah!